Hello everyone. We're going to make some Canada sweet potato tonight. It's also called silk pudding sweet potato. Basically, what we need are sweet potatoes, medium-sized sweet potatoes, and a cane sugar, so it's called white sugar, and some oil and some water. And we can find all these materials from the local store. Frying potatoes costs a little bit longer time than frying sweet potatoes. That's beyond our expectation. I never tried that before, so that's my first try to do this way. But looks good. So far, so good. We'll see. And by the way, we normally don't cook that much at home, especially frying potatoes and frying chicken. We try to stay away from frying food, but this time it's different. We just do it for fun. Looks like they were fully cooked, and then they were ready for the next step. And then we, have a potatoes and sweet potatoes together, and just try to save time. And they look good, golden brown. And they look different, most probably taste different. See, it's almost ready. The syrup is ready, and the next step is we put sweet potato and potatoes into the pot and then mix them together. Looks so good. I like this color. Light yellow, golden, and I wondered how they taste. I'm working on the camera, so I haven't got a chance to try one piece. I would like to know.